It's the end of the month, time to collect rent, but the senior landlord seems unhappy. It turns out that she has 70 properties to collect rent. Before that, she has to record the meter readings of each room. Then she goes back to the computer. Key the readings into Excel to calculate utility bill. Add the rent, calculate the total amount. Then inform every tenant one by one. At last, after confirming payment, she needs to go back to Excel to record. Sometimes she's so busy that she forgets to collect rent. So she'll also set a rent collection reminder in Google Calendar. Thinking of going through this repeated process every month. She feels tired and troubled. On the other side, the beginner landlord seems relaxed. She taps on her phone and waits for the rent to be collected. She says to the senior landlord, "Why do you still use Excel? What Excel does for you is only calculation. You still have to go back and forth between different software to complete rent collection. I use RentPackage to simplify the process. Just enter the lease term. Select paid monthly. Automatically generate scheduled charges. No need to enter payment every month. When recording meter readings, just take out your phone. Enter the readings. Utility bill will be calculated automatically. System will combine and calculate total amount. When it's time, payment notification will automatically be emailed to the tenant. After tenant's remittance on RentPackage, system will notify automatically. No need to spend time on reconciliation. Or after rent collection, click payment. You can mark the generated scheduled charges as paid. When it comes to reconciliation, just click on each scheduled charges. You can easily verify all payment details in the scheduled charges. When it comes to properties, just click Property Management. You can see the related features. When it comes to money, just click Accounting. You can see the relevant functions. Landlord and Property Manager version are grandly launched now. One device in hand makes rent collection so much easier. RentPackage saves you trouble at the end of every month and let you make money easily. No need to install any software. Log in now for free trial. Built-in simulated landlord, tenant, property data. Don't have to key in. Experience features right away. Let's be a smart landlord together. Share this better way with your landlord friends who are still using Excel for management. Welcome to comment and share problems you encounter when managing properties and signing leases. Also tell us which feature you like the most.